Now, when you come to eukaryotic cell, as I already mentioned, most of the eukaryotes are multicellular organisms. Okay. Now, when you take multicellular organisms, we'll have plant cells, animal cells, and other insect other cells also as multicellular organisms. And among eukaryotes, only plant cell will have cell wall. Okay. Why only plant cell will have cell wall? Can anyone just try to explain? My question is why only plant cells will have cell wall? Why not animal cells? This is the question. Yes. Nice attempt, Naisha. Yeah. Let me explain this way. When you take a plant cell, usually plants are immovable. They'll be stationary at one place, isn't it? So they have to fight against different environmental factors like the temperature, humidity, pollution, rain, etc. and etc. Isn't it? But the animal cells will be having a movement in search of food and shelter. So when it comes to the structural aspect of plant, they have to be stationary at one place and has to withstand the environmental stress also. Okay. So in such way, the plant should have an outer protecting layer around every cell. So that is nothing but cell wall. Okay. So why plants only need cell wall is something related to its structural aspect. Plants being the stationary organisms, they need to protect themselves from the environmental stress and other biotic factors also. See, so many pathogens, so many insects will infect the plant cells. So in order to get protection from them also, they need some kind of supporting tissue, nothing but the cell wall. Okay. Now, when you take the cell wall of a plant, it is made up of cellulose. So here cellulose is very simple carbohydrate which is made up of glucose units. Repeated glucose units, some 60 to 70 glucose units will make a cellulose. So simple sugar substance will be the major portion of cell wall in plants. Other than that, most of the cell wall part in cells will be filled with water so that it could give some tensile strength to withstand the wind pressure, temperature and all. So the cell wall whole composition is related to the structure of plant body. Okay, am I clear with that? Now here see, there are different parts of a cell. Different parts of a cell. Here I have taken the plant cell. See, we are having here the cell wall, and within the cell wall you will have another membrane called plasma membrane, and within which we will have different cell organelles. So the cell wall is the outermost protective layer. This part. Okay. Then within the cell wall you will have another layer called plasma membrane. And these two membranes will act as protective layers to protect all the internal organs of the cell. These are various internal organs. We'll discuss each internal organ in detail in later sessions. Yes, Akshat.
Ma'am, what is the vacuole of the plant filled with?
Vacuole. We'll come into that point later, but just to give a brief account. In plant cell, we'll find a big vacuole. Whereas in animal cell, you will find a big nucleus. That's the difference between plant and animal cell. Now, why plant will have big vacuole? Because this is the storage house of the plant. So, the plant is an autotroph. Everybody know this word autotroph? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Something that makes its own food.
Yeah, it makes its own food by photosynthesis. Yes, Ritu. Yeah, correct, Kavya. So here it makes its own food material. Where it will store? The plant will have a shelf-like thing, you know, a cupboard called vacuole, something like a refrigerator at your home, which will store the food. The vacuole is the one which will store the food. Even the waste material will also be stored here only. Okay, so that's the plant cell will have big vacuole. Whereas in animal cell we don't need to store food because every day all the organisms will have their food, isn't it? So we don't have big vacuole, but the plant cell will have big vacuole. Am I clear with that concept? Yes, shall I move on?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So here what we are saying, the bacterial cell wall, if you just recollect, it is having very rigid structure. We said so many difficult words also, NAM, NAG, peptidoglycan, carbohydrates, amino acids, all these forms the tough rigid cell wall of prokaryote. But when it comes for eukaryote, you will have very simple cell wall structure made up of majorly cellulose in plant cell especially. Okay? Okay.